Hello, welcome to UPlantTube. If you're the kind of person who enjoys growing their own food, then you've come to the right place. You're going to want to watch this video to the end. So, without any further delay, let's get into this video. As an example, this broccoli head that I grew myself was absolutely delicious when I used it to make broccoli and chicken stir fry. I must confess, I do get satisfaction from knowing that I have grown the best quality organic food that one can consume. After 9 days, the seedlings have become tall and unstable. To resolve this problem, we're going to transplant them into a larger pot. Adding more soil will stabilize them from falling over. Once again, transplant into a larger pot will help the seedling grow much better from the improved soil. At this stage, with the roots well developed, it's time to transplant them into a raised bed. Generally, broccoli plants should be 18 inches or 45 centimeters apart. Broccoli does best when temperatures remain between 40 to 70 Fahrenheit or 4 centigrade to 21. It needs to mature during cool periods, so it does well in most areas if planted in late summer to mature in fall. Cabbage worms. These pests are the larvae of moths and butterflies. You may notice white or grey moths fluttering around the plant, a sure sign that you'll soon have problems with their offsprings. Cabbage worms cause serious damage by feeding on broccoli leaves. Handpick as many as you can. At this stage, what better way to feed your plants by using homemade organic compost as a fertilizer? Now that I have cut off the main head, do not throw out your plants, as they will produce side shoots and thus more broccoli. I would suggest all new viewers who have come to this channel for the first time to subscribe, as not to miss out on new exciting projects that are in the making. If you have enjoyed this video, then I would suggest that you click on my other videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.